to buy gift card with PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy your gift card with your PayPal. So first of all, just select the kind of gift card that you want to purchase. It could be Amazon gift card or your Flipkart gift card or Temu gift or any other gift card that you would want to purchase. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be purchasing the Xbox digital gift card. So in order to purchase that, just put that gift card into your cart. Just log into your account first. And once it is added into your cart, you just have to click on checkout from the right side. And now in the first step, you have to make your payment in the payment section. Now you can see the ways to pay. You have to choose a payment method. So you can see credit or debit card and e-wallet, in which you have PayPal option available. So you just simply have to click on PayPal since you want to make purchase through our PayPal account. So now you have to read the instructions. So when you click on next, you will be redirected to the paypal.com to verify your account, and you will be collected your PayPal account info, but you won't use it without your permission. So you have to give the Microsoft permission to use your PayPal account information in order to make your purchase further. So simply click on next, and now just simply log into your PayPal account. And once you are there, you just have to mention your card details in order to link your card to your PayPal account first if you haven't already. If you already have your card linked to your PayPal account, it will automatically show up right here. So just enter your details and click on next. And then your payment for your Xbox digital gift card will be deducted from your PayPal account itself. So this way you will be able to buy gift card using your PayPal. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.